Hello, Martin here from Bakers. I'm over in Horsham, West Sussex. I wanted to show you this really fantastic hobby room we recently completed. It needed planning permission, so we went and got that for the customer. It's got very close to boundaries around here, and some of it's seen around the back, so we've overclad the cement board with a timber to actually keep it all in keeping and make it look really nice, but still keeping the zero maintenance. 4.7 metres wide, just squeezed in between the two walls there, if you can see there. And let me take you inside. Beautifully used as a hobby room, mainly for these beautiful doll houses here, really nicely done inside. EPDM roof gives a nice height all the way through there, you see, and that works really well. And it's just been used for multiple hobbies, as you can see there. The keyboard in the corner, some artwork being done, so just a really nice option. Bit difficult for me to pan back and show you it, but this is actually one of our kestrels, so it's done in timber cladding on the front here, with these Georgian windows you can see with opening fan lights, finished in a colour called Hoster Green. That's just a really beautiful looking building, lovely finish inside. Timber doors, timber windows and timber cladding to the front. That is going to need some maintenance, but then we have got the EPDM roof and the cement wall to the three sides, so it's only this front that needs any work doing with it. So I hope that building is of interest to you. Much more part of our classic collection. If this kind of is interest, give us a call, 01444 247 192.